a part of psychohygiene development. In this episode, I would like to speak about tips for mental health among children. Every parent would like their children to have optimum and wholesome development. Parents expect their child to become an ideal adult in the family, finance, occupation, and social spheres. A healthy person is said to be able to enjoy physical, mental, and social well-being and should not suffer from any physical or mental illness or any social maladjustment and difficulties. For the child to achieve this goal in development, the preparation should start right from the conception. The parent should plan the pregnancy and accept it wholeheartedly when it occurs. They should make all preparation. The next is she should avoid exposure to X-rays. The next is one should arrange to deliver the child under medical supervision. If difficult labor is anticipated, the delivery should be conducted in a hospital only. The next is child should receive breast milk for 6 to 8 months and later solid food like fruits, boiled vegetables, etc. The next is personal hygiene of the child and environmental hygiene have to be maintained at any cost. Avoid dust, dirt, unclean water, decaying matter, animal and human droppings in the surroundings. Keep the hands and legs of the child clean by washing them several times a day. Keep the play materials of the child clean. Wash the undergarments of the child in boiling water and dry them in hot sun. The next is the common alignment of the child have to be attended to and treated promptly. Keep to one doctor who can follow up the child requirements and help you to immunize it with proper vaccines at proper times. The next is more sensory stimuli are to be given to the child. Play materials which stimulate eyes and ears must be provided. Taking to the child. Playing music, showing various objects interaction with the children and adults. Tactile stimuli like hugging, fonging, stalking, olfactory stimuli like different perfumes and flowers help the child to improve its perceptual abilities and understand the environment and react appropriately. The next is the child has to be encouraged to learn different skills required for day to day living and become independent as early as possible. The child should be taught in clear terms the moral and social norms and encouraged to follow them. The elders should become a good model in this regard. If there are contradictions, child needs explanation and is required to follow the right ones. The child should also be made to understand the realities as they exist and control needs. The next is the child should be encouraged to express its needs, views, opinions in a straightforward manner with the parents. It should be encouraged to show appropriate emotion in a socially acceptable way, whether it is anger, sadness, or fear. The next is the child should be taught how to interact with the people of various age groups and enjoy the company of others. It should develop pleasing behavior and talk. It should learn to respect others' views and opinions. The next is tell the child to do its best. Put an honest effort and face situations like examination, meeting people who are above its level of functioning or in authoritative position, or whenever a task or assignment is given to it. Do not put unnecessary pressure on the child and induce performance anxiety. Do not compare it with others and criticize. The next is support, guide, and encourage its efforts to acquire skills to better and achieve new targets. Use positive and negative reinforcement techniques to shape its behavior. That is, reward for good behavior and take away the reward for bad and unwanted behavior in a consistent manner. Use punishment with love and explain as to why you are using that method. Do not use painful and insulting methods for punishment. Remember the proverb: reward publicly and punish with love privately. The next is allow the child to help the family members in day-to-day household and enjoy it. The next is teach and demonstrate to them the importance of personal cleanliness, keeping the house, neighborhood, and environment in general clean and healthy, and how to dispose the waste materials and prevent pollution. The next is teach them spiritual ways of looking at positive and negative aspects of life. Tell them that every living being, whether man, animal, or plant, is important in this world. They should learn to respect the existence of others and live in harmony with others. The next is encourage them to be inquisitive. Show interest in exploring things. Keep increasing their knowledge and skills, and use them for the good of everybody. Let them learn to be optimistic and positive in their approach. Let them feel proud of themselves as they are, and not worry about what they are not and about what they do not have. Encourage them to develop hobbies which help them to increase and express their creativity and talents. Describe the life stories of national and international heroes and heroines. Allow them to adopt as many good attitudes and behaviors as possible. The next is take them around, show the realities of life, how people live, what they do, how they struggle. Teach and help them to adapt to the realities. The next thing is life skills education is also necessary for the child. Thank you. God bless you.